So I just bought this paintbrush set and thought I would show it to you. We could open it up for the first time together. Um, so it's really feels really high quality. It's kind of soft, but at the same time strong. Like the case it's in, it almost sort of reminds me of wool, even though I know that's not what it is. And then it's got these handles at the top. It's just super cute. Looks really pretty. Doesn't take up too much space. And then here on the back, we've got this pouch. And then let's open it up. It's got these two snaps here. And then on the inside, we see all of these really beautiful brushes. Let's pull a couple of these out and take a look. Um, so you can see this really nice really beautiful. I mean, I just love the color of this wood. And then let's have a look at the brush on the top. Let's see. Let me let you have a really good look at that. It seems really, really well made. Yeah, and then you have like the size on here as well. I'm getting older, so can't read that as well. I mean, I can see it, um, but that's kind of nice to be able to see that there. And let's take a look at another one. Let's see here. Just going to slide this back in. Each has its own individual placement here, and then they're grouped together with these sort of nets that keep them from falling out of the pouch, right? So that's kind of nice. And then you also have these plastic pouches as well behind the brushes. And I think that is just to help keep this from getting dirty. So it, like, if you put something back in and it's not quite dry, it's not going to get the casing dirty and you can wipe it off, which is really nice. Let's take a look at another brush. I mean, there are so many like fine little points here. So it really gives you a lot of detailed options. Let's have a look at this one. It's a little more spread out. Okay. Look at that with its fan shape. This is going to be really nice. I'm super excited to use this.